Alright, Naija people, I don't bring no bonga Bishop news story. My name Nandehi. Make a sharply yarn on a son we say it just happened. The Minister of Interior will be Honorable Olubunmi Tunji Ojo don come talk say all the passport backlog there will be say the day for inside Nigeria Immigration Services. Say they don't clear all of them. This one come me say all the people will be say they don't apply for passport them. They don't come collect all of them. The Kano State Governor will be Abba Kiba Yusuf don come describe the appeal court judgment wey Saka comot as the governor of Kano State. Say that one na complete robbery. As in come talk, say he go challenge the judgment for inside Supreme Court. Wey make a come order all the legal practitioners and lawyers and say make all of them may they start work now. The Imo State chapter of Labour Party wey dey for inside Owerri don come raise alarm say the Imo State Independent National Electoral Commission wey be INEC no gree dem make their lawyers dem go get access to check all the documents wey be say they use for the November 11 governorship election. Say na according to wetin law talk say they get right to check all the documents dem in as much say that they carry the matter take go court. The president of Liberia wey im name be George Weah don come accept defeat to the opposition wey im name be Joseph Boakai as im come talk say national interest na im dey more important to pass personal interest and im yarn dis talk on November 18, 2023 wey be on Saturday. One Nigerian army captain wey im name be Kati Baza don come write letter take give im commandant as im come talk say because the commandant dey hold dem allowance na so im come later come go kpai himself for inside Uyo Akwa Ibom State and dem see im dead body wey be say e hang for rope for inside bush wey dey near im house on November 11, 2023 na this gbege happen. The Nigeria Calabar Police for inside Bayelsa State don arrest one of the killer wey join body take kpai the late SP Bako Anyigbashi wey be the DPO of Ahoda Division for inside Rivers State and the name of the suspect na Onyekachi Ikowa 43 years old wey be second in command to Totu Baba wey be the leader of the Wicked Iceland Court Group wey dey for inside Rivers State. The National Drug Enforcement Agency wey be NDLA don come dey draw hand for ear dey warn parents dem say make dem shine their eye well because of this fancy small bottle wey go fit dey for inside their pikin bag or their pocket as dem come yarn say this small bottle say dem dey use am now dey carry kolos and loud and na the youth dem wey be say dem dey around that kind Lekki, Ikoyi, Victoria Island say na dem dey majorly dey carry this bottle as dem come yarn say na 15,000 naira dem dey sell one of the bottle and dem don catch some of the youth dem wey be say dem use their mouth take confess am. After wey some Nigerians dem don come out to come talk say dem wan carry the dead body of the late Nigerian musician wey be Ireluluwa Aloba aka Mohbad but Mohbad Papa wey be Joseph Aloba don come talk on top this video say make nobody carry im son dead body go bury without im permission and he yarn this talk on Sunday November 19, 2023.
Hello, brethren. I've been hearing say maybe some people want to go and carry Mohbad body. Please, when this boy dey alive, it's my son. When he still go, he still retain my name. I beg everybody, or every one of you, if they want to do anything there, I really want to authorize them. Nobody should go and carry Mohbad body from there.
The appeal court wey dey for inside Abuja on Sunday November 19, 2023 don come pursue the governor of Plateau State of People Democratic Party wey im name be Caleb Mutfwang take comot for inside im office as court come order INEC say make dem collect the certificate of return take give the All Progressives Congress governorship candidate wey im name be Netawe Yetwada. 4 people dem don come wunjure well for on top one accident wey happen after wey the driver wey carry one Lexus car take lose control as im come run comot for road come go jam one shop wey dey along that Idumu area inside Lagos State on Sunday November 19th around that kind 5 a.m. early in the morning. Plenty Nigerians dem don come dey hail dis tanker driver wey risk im life as im carry full loaded tanker wey carry fuel as the tanker come catch fire for inside one town and na so e come jejely come dey drive the tanker dey find one safe place wey be say people no go dey around there so e go fit park the tanker so the tanker go burn on its own and this gbege happen for inside Ebonyi State. The Nigerian chef wey im name be Temitope Adebayo aka Tope Maggi don come break the Guinness World Record for the longest cooking marathon as im come pass the Irish chef wey im name be Alan Fisher wey cook for 119 hours 57 minutes and na the new record wey Tope Maggi im cook for 200 hours and im end am on Saturday November 18, 2023. One Nigerian man for inside London wey im name on top X handle na Slim Fit don come out to come yarn as some guys wey dey for London wan try come tiftalize the phone saying dey make us say before you know na so one guy wey say carry bicycle come snatch im phone comot for im hand But na so he come show am say true say him be Naija boy. Na so he pursue am, come almost use him umbrella, wan wipe the guy for head. Na so the guy come quickly come throw away the phone for ground. And this gbege happen for inside London, United Kingdom. The United Kingdom Prime Minister wey be Rishi Sunak don come out to come talk as he come post this picture of some of him cabinet people. They say that they point one pothole wey dey for the road. As he talk say they don invest £8 billion wey be say they go use to repair the local road them and also to fix the pothole them wey be say they dey for those roads. The Church of England governing body dem don come vote to support special service wey be say they go dey do to dey bless gay and lesbian people. They wey be say they go dey marry theirself wey oyibo dey call same-sex couple. The London Borough of Southwark mayor wey name be Mr. Michael Shitu don come talk say him go like host Nigerians dem wey be say they dey for inside United Kingdom, say because him go like help to tackle the issue of children dem wey be Nigerian children dem wey don comot from school because of money. The 23-year-old Nicaraguan model and beauty queen wey be say her name be Shanice Palacios don come win Miss Universe 2023 on top the 72nd annual beauty pageant wey they host for inside San Salvador on Saturday. The Super Eagles don come draw against the Zimbabwe national team as they come draw 1-1 on top the World Cup qualifier wey be say they play on Sunday, November 19th, 2023. Yes, na Bishop News O'Clock. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy your day.